In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform into Shopify. To get started, head over to Typeform and either create a new form or open an existing one that you want to add to your Shopify store. Before you do anything else, make sure that form is published. That part is important because if the form is still unpublished, it may not display properly when you try to embed it on your site. Once your form is ready, open the Share or Publish panel inside Typeform. From there, look for the option to embed the form in a web page. When the embed choices appear, select the standard embed option. For this method, it's best to avoid the full page option, since we're embedding the form directly into a Shopify page and want a simple, flexible setup. After that, click Start Embedding. Typeform will ask where you plan to use the form, so in the website or platform dropdown, choose Shopify. Typeform will then generate the embed code for you. Click Copy so that code is saved to your clipboard and ready to paste into your store. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then Pages. Here, you can open an existing page where you want the Typeform to appear, or create a brand new one by clicking Add Page. This is useful if you want the form to live on a dedicated contact, survey, or feedback page. Inside the Shopify page editor, click Show HTML. This opens the HTML view, which allows you to paste custom embed code directly into the page content. Without switching to HTML, Shopify may treat the code like plain text instead of rendering the form properly. Next, paste the Typeform embed code you copied earlier. Place it exactly where you want the form to appear on the page. If you want text above or below the form, you can position the code accordingly within the page content. When that's done, click Save. Keep in mind that the Typeform may not display correctly inside Shopify's editor preview itself, so don't worry if you don't immediately see the live form there. Instead, click View Page to open the live version of the page on your storefront. Check that the Typeform loads correctly and then test it by submitting a response. This helps confirm that everything is working as expected for your visitors. If the form appears too small or too large, go back to Typeform's embed settings and adjust the height or width. Then copy the updated code, replace the old code in Shopify, and save the page again. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Typeform into Shopify.